the shade, and it's not insulated.
Does it help keep the rain out?
It keeps the rain out, but it also, does it feel warmer in here than it did outside? Just a little bit? So that's what we're doing. We're trying to keep the heat in to help nurture these plants. It's not a big deal right now, but come when it gets cold in the fall, it's an important thing. Now, we're mimicking nature. A lot of these plants are in what we call the perched wet prairies. So they're in a prairie, they get soaking wet through part of the year, and then by August they're completely dried out. So we're trying to simulate that. So like we're watering these guys now, and come August, we're going to taper off the water. Because that's what would happen in nature. And that's what they're used to, and what they'll need to be able to adjust to. Now, when we're trying to collect the seed, we need to do what would happen in nature. There's some of these seeds that the way they reproduce is a bird will eat them, and it'll go through their digestive system and kind of rough it up, and then when the seed is expelled in their poop, then it can germinate. So those are ones that we actually will have to go. We might have to rub them with sandpaper. If we want to push them along, we might have to do a fake winter. We'll put them in the refrigerator for a certain period of time to simulate a winter, to push them so we can produce them a little bit faster, because we might need them, let's say we need them in a year for a planting project. And with a lot of our native species, we've learned that as we go. No one knew how to propagate some of these natives. And we work with a flora and fauna working group where everybody's working with different native prairie seeds, and we share that knowledge. And we've had better luck with our cold frame. Some of the people who had the heated greenhouses were not having as much luck, but because this was a cold frame and it was more like nature, some of the species did better with us than them. So then they learned to move those out of their heated greenhouses.